In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the background color in Notion. Now, if you're someone who likes to customize your workspace or just prefers a little bit more color to help organize your notes, this is going to be really helpful. First, what you'll want to do is open up your Notion app. Once you're there, navigate to the page where you'd like to change the background color. Just about any page you have can be customized in Notion, giving you a lot of flexibility to create an environment that keeps you inspired and organized. When you've found your page, hover over the left margin of the block where you want the background color to change. You'll see a little 6-dot icon appear. This is all about accessing the block menu. You'll want to click on this icon or alternatively, right-click anywhere on the block to bring up the menu. Now, within this menu, look for an option labeled Color. Here's where the magic happens. Click on Color, and you'll see a list of various color options you can choose from. Notion offers several colors like yellow, blue, pink, and more, along with these as background colors. The difference here is in how they'll apply to the block. There are default color styles and background color styles. Be sure to select the background color style, which will usually be listed as background beneath the color option you've chosen. So if you're selecting blue as your background color, make sure it's indicated as blue background within the menu. After you've made your selection, take a moment to observe how that changes the appearance of your block. Remember, your block is now tinted with the color you chose, which can make it stand out wonderfully amongst other blocks. This feature is great for distinguishing different sections or categories of information you want highlighted. If, after seeing it, you decide that your choice wasn't quite right, don't worry. You can easily change it again by repeating the same process until your page looks just right. And there you have it, that's one way to add a personal touch to your Notion pages. One thing to note is that the background color setting only applies to individual blocks within your page. If you want multiple sections with different colors, you'll need to adjust each one individually. This might seem like a bit of work, but it's great for tailoring your entire setup to be as functional and visually appealing as you want it to be. So get creative with it. Whether you're using color coding for organization or just want to make your workspace a bit brighter, these small tweaks can help you tailor Notion perfectly to your style. That's all for today's tutorial. Happy organizing, and make sure to let your creativity soar.